Now to our COVID-19 continuing coverage. If cases continue to drop, Georgia's top healthcare officials are working to get ahead of the newly discovered variant detected in the state.
The Brazilian variant is the third one found so far and is said to be the most contagious. WSAV News 3's Ricardo Lewis is joining us live from Memorial Health in Savannah with what doctors say is the best way to control it.
Well, Ben and Tina, an infectious disease doctor here at Memorial Health says that these variants can spread easily. That's why health officials weren't surprised when they learned of the new variant here in the state. They say the key to slowing down these variants is by getting vaccinated.
We have been identifying additional variants.
More discouraging news in the fight against COVID-19 coming to light. Georgia Department of Public Health Commissioner Dr. Kathleen Toomey confirming the Brazil variant is in Georgia.
This is where contact tracing is absolutely essential because our 1,500 contact tracers are being fully deployed to follow up cases, particularly when they're in vulnerable populations.
Officials say 351 cases of the UK variant, 15 cases of the South African variant, and 1 case of the variant from Brazil are here in the Peach State. Infectious disease doctor at Memorial Health, Stephen Thacker, says we're going to continue seeing new variants until the spread is under control.
The key point that if you have access to vaccine and you can receive it, to pursue it as soon as you can, because the way we get away from having to be so worried about these variants is having our communities largely vaccinated, so we break that chain of person-to-person spread.
Health officials say the Brazilian variant is highly contagious. That's why getting vaccinated is essential.
There's also concern that folks that were infected early on in the COVID pandemic with what we call wild type, those antibodies that you're making may not protect you against some of these circulating strains at all.
Researchers are still studying how effective the vaccines are against the new variants.
Does the protective antibody that a vaccine makes, is it as effective at preventing harm from this virus? And I think we're actually still can't answer that question confidently.
Now, health officials say that they're going to continue to monitor these variants closely throughout the state. An uptick in COVID cases is expected after spring break. Reporting live in Savannah, Ricardo Lewis, WSAV News 3 on your side.